might believe that the pain and the misery you feel is because of a condition you have, a mental condition. Doctors put a name on a pattern in reality that they observed, and now you say, oh, it's because of that pattern my behavior is such and such. And then you blame events from your past for that pattern. So, and then you hide everything under the carpet, and you just live a life while all the skeletons from the closet are in the room with you. So stop. That's not the way. Your misery is because we lost. Our misery is because we lost one of the biggest assets. Our human superorganism. Societal intelligence. The intelligence of our hives are now pretty much mentally impaired, sick. So that sickness descends in you because your intelligence is their intelligence in your circumstances. It's not vice versa. We don't generate them. They may make us. And we make, like you make the cells you are. The cells are yourself in those little circumstances. Everything written there, but as a cell in the laws of the games of cells. And like that, superorganism laying above you is projected in you, in your intelligence. The intelligence of humanity in you as one human being, one tentacle of that. So if that's sick, you're sick. If you don't want to be sick anymore, and that's you see, is because it's not because circumstances, because we are safer and better than in any other moment in history. We are fed, we don't suffer from hunger, and we are healthier, live longer, peaceful, comfort. We have everything except the future. If we don't do this. Logics.